Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some boneless ribeye steaks right here. Cutting some of this fat off of them. And that's how we go make them look. We beat them up real good and we'll chop them up in nice slices. So what I'm making tonight for dinner, I'm making some stuffed whole lobster. So we're gonna use some of this ribeye steak. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And don't forget, hit that like button. Okay, so here we go right here. Just went and picked up my lobster. Yeah, we're gonna stuff this bad boy. And yes, he's still alive. You see his little thing moving? So this is what I'm going to cook live. So I say I'll be going live in the next 5.5 hours. And by then this bad boy probably passed away. But I like to get all my food fresh and live. Look at that big boy. So we go stuff it. And all my good family and friends out there, I'm finna go ahead and upload this video. So we have our ribeye steak, our lobster. I'm gonna add a couple more things to it so we can, give it a nice stuff. So I'll be doing this live to tap in with y'all. So stay tuned for this nice live. And don't miss it. Look at it. So we'll go ahead and throw this bad boy in the refrigerator, just like this. And you can tell he's a big boy. Look at my pan. I'll see y'all in a couple hours.
Chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the dick, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah.